respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today, Class 30 has got the golden opportunity to present an assembly on Indian Navy Day. So now, my friend Ananya Pandey will be here to tell you thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. Thought for today. Victory is always possible for the person who refused to stop fighting. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. Do you know why we celebrate Navy Day? Indian Navy Day celebrate on 4 December in commemoration of Operation Trident, the attack launched by the Indian Navy on Karachi, Hawaii during 1971's Indo-Pakistan War. The operation was conducted on the night of December 4.5 and caused heavy damage in Pakistani vessels. Thank you.
Facts about Indian Navy Day. Chhatrapati Shivaji Bhosle is the father of Indian Navy. First aircraft carrier was INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant was largest aircraft carrier in India. The naval variant of BrahMos missile is the fastest missile in the world. Lieutenant Commander Wahida Pervez Khan is the first woman to command the annual parade at AFMC Pune in 2006. Thank you.